I won't waste your time. All right, now I do want to talk about Nvidia real quick. Man, I'm just super stoked about Nvidia because Nvidia touched my price target. It went a little bit lower, which I am perfectly cool with that. But it didn't stay down there, right? It went down, but it got back up. You can get back up again, Donnie McClurkin voice. If you already know, you know. But that thing got back up. It's at 102.61. After hours, I did signal a 120 call back, I think, to October or September earlier today. I took my gains on it. I just don't like swing trading. For me, it's not worth the risk. So I got out, right? But if you stayed in, you should be up right now. It's at 102.64 after hours, maybe higher than that. I'm gonna look on Robinhood because they do have after hours trading. Yeah, still at 102.66. But I have to warn you, it's still possible that Nvidia could come back down. All right, so I'm on a 65-minute time frame. We do have a buy signal short term,